Understanding Menopausal Symptoms, a Guide. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an important topic that affects millions of women around the world: menopausal symptoms. Our goal is to help you understand what menopause is, identify its common symptoms, and offer some insights into managing these symptoms effectively. Let's dive into this journey of learning together. Menopause marks the end of a woman's menstrual cycles. It's diagnosed after you've gone 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period. Menopause can happen in your 40s or 50s, but the average age is 51 in the United States. It's a natural biological process, but the physical symptoms, such as hot flashes, and emotional symptoms of menopause may disrupt your sleep, lower your energy, or affect emotional health. There are many effective treatments available, from lifestyle adjustments to hormone therapy. The transition to menopause, or perimenopause, can start several years before the last menstrual period. Symptoms vary from one person to another but often include hot flashes, sudden feelings of warmth, usually over the face, neck, and chest, which can make you sweat and turn your skin red and blotchy. Night sweats. Hot flashes that occur at night can disrupt sleep. Irregular periods. As menopause approaches, menstrual patterns can change, becoming irregular before they stop entirely. Mood changes. This includes mood swings, irritability, and increased risk of depression during menopause. Sleep problems. Difficulty sleeping is often due to night sweats but can also occur without them. Weight gain and slowed metabolism. Changes in hormone levels may cause you to gain weight and have a slower metabolism. Thinning hair and dry skin. A decrease in hormone levels can lead to a reduction in skin and hair health. While menopause is a natural phase of life that doesn't inherently require medical treatment, managing its symptoms is crucial for maintaining a good quality of life. Strategies include lifestyle changes, regular physical activity, a healthy diet, smoking cessation, and stress reduction can alleviate some symptoms. Medications. Hormone therapy can be effective for some women in managing hot flashes and other symptoms. However, it's important to discuss the benefits and risks with a healthcare provider. Natural remedies and supplements. Some women find relief through natural remedies, though it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Menopause is a significant milestone in a woman's life, but it doesn't have to be a daunting one. Understanding what to expect and knowing how to manage symptoms can make a big difference. We hope this video has shed some light on menopausal symptoms and how to cope with them. Remember, you're not alone, and support is available. Thank you for watching, and please take care of yourself during this transition.